You don't need a contractor or a renovation loan to transform your home. You just need the right pieces. Today we're counting down 30 Amazon furniture hacks that instantly upgrade any room, save space, and add real style. Links to every product are in the description below. Let's get into it. At number 30, Vanity Desk. This is the vanity that makes your whole bedroom feel like a boutique. The mirror comes with built-in LED lighting in 3 tones, so you get perfect visibility for getting ready any time of day. 8 drawers and 4 glowing glass cabinets give you more storage than most bathroom vanities, keeping makeup, jewelry, and skincare organized instead of scattered across your counter. It even has built-in outlets and USB ports, so your hair tools stay powered without cords running everywhere. If you want one piece that instantly elevates a bedroom's whole vibe, this is it. Number 29, LED bathroom mirror. Swapping your bathroom mirror might be the single easiest high-impact upgrade on this entire list. This one throws out 6,000 lumens of front and back lighting, so you're not squinting under a dim bulb anymore. It has an anti-fog defogger that clears up after hot showers automatically, and 3 color modes let you switch between warm and cool light depending on your mood. Installation uses a simple wall cleat, no rewiring required in most cases. A bathroom with old dark lighting suddenly looks like a spa the moment this goes up. Number 28, sleeper sofa bed. Small living rooms need furniture that works over time, and this sofa does exactly that. It shifts between a sofa, a recliner, and a full bed with one simple push on the backrest. No folding out awkward metal frames. The steel structure is tested to handle over 10,000 uses, so it's not going to sag after a few months. USB ports built into the side let guests charge their phones overnight. For anyone hosting in a small apartment or dorm, this single piece replaces both a couch and a guest bed. Number 27, lift top coffee table. Here's a coffee table that quietly does the job of 3 pieces of furniture. Lift the top fully and it becomes a dining table for 8. Half lift it and you've got 2 private workstations. Close it down and it's just a clean farmhouse style coffee table with barn doors hiding your clutter inside. The 2-tone distressed finish gives any living room an instant cozy lived-in look without looking cluttered. This is the kind of hack that makes guests ask where you bought it. Number 26, Loft Bed Desk. Small bedrooms waste so much floor space, and this loft bed fixes that completely. Underneath the bed sits a full desk with drawers, an 8-drawer dresser, open shelving, and a clothing rack, turning one wall into an entire room's worth of storage. The RGB lighting strips let you switch from a soft night glow to bright focus lighting for homework or gaming. A padded ladder and tall guardrails keep it safe, and a built-in power strip means no more cords dangling off the desk. One piece, 3 rooms worth of function. Number 25, twin loft bed. This is the loft bed built specifically for smaller kids' rooms that still need serious storage. 9 drawers plus open shelving handle clothes, books, and toys without needing a separate dresser. Underneath the bed, there's a soft play area with app-controlled LED lighting, giving your child a reading nook or hangout spot that didn't exist before. The safety guardrail sits at nearly 16 inches, and anti-tip anchors keep everything stable. A gently sloped ladder makes it easier and safer for younger climbers than a standard steep loft ladder. Number 24, drop leaf table. If your dining room doubles as your living room, this table solves that problem completely. It folds down into a slim console table and hides all 4 matching chairs underneath on an open shelf, meaning your entire dining setup disappears when you're not using it. Half open it for a quick 2-person meal, or extend it fully to seat up to 6 for a real gathering. It ships fully assembled, which alone saves you a weekend most other furniture pieces would cost you. Number 23, extendable dining table. For anyone who hosts often but doesn't have a huge dining room, this table adjusts to the occasion instead of forcing you to commit to one size. It stretches from 63 inches to 79 inches, going from a cozy family table to a full holiday dinner table in seconds. The faux marble top gives it a genuinely upscale look without the upscale price, and the dual column base keeps it steady even when it's fully loaded with food and guests. This table quietly does the job of 2 different tables. Number 22, folding conference table. This one's a sleeper pick for home offices that double as guest rooms or hobby spaces. It folds flat and rolls away on silent casters when you don't need it, then unfolds into a sturdy 400-pound capacity work surface when you do. It's genuinely multi-purpose too. Use it as a home office desk, a game table, or even a dining surface for a crowd. If your space needs to change jobs throughout the week, this table changes with it instead of sitting in the way. Number 21, wooden dining chairs. Sometimes the smartest upgrade isn't a new table, it's new chairs. These have a curved, padded backrest that actually follows your spine instead of forcing you upright, which matters a lot more once dinners run past 30 minutes. A built-in handle on the back means moving them around for extra seating takes one hand, not two. Solid wood legs are rated to hold 330 pounds each, so they're not just stylish, they're genuinely sturdy. A simple chair swap like this can completely change how a dining room feels. Number 20, C-shaped end table. This table slides right under your couch or bed, giving you a surface for your laptop, coffee, or a book without taking up any extra floor space. The height adjusts with a simple gas spring lever between roughly 30 and 42 inches, and the tabletop tilts up to 80 degrees if you want to read or draw at an angle. 4 rolling wheels with brakes mean you can reposition it anywhere in seconds. It's a tiny footprint doing a surprisingly big job in tight living rooms. Number 19, shelf floor lamps. This is 3 pieces of furniture pretending to be one lamp. You get a full floor lamp, a 3-tier storage shelf, and a wireless phone charging station, all built into a single wooden frame. Each shelf holds up to 30 pounds, so books, plants, or photo frames all fit without wobbling. The base includes USB, USB-C, and standard outlets, meaning it can genuinely replace a nightstand or side table in a small bedroom. For apartments low on furniture space, this is one of the smartest multitaskers on the list. Number 18, rolling TV stand. And if your TV is bolted to one spot, this stand changes that completely. It fits TVs from 32 to 85 inches and holds up to 100 pounds, rolling smoothly on locking casters so you can move movie night to any room in the house. The height adjusts between roughly 39 and 59 inches, and hollow vertical tubes let you hide cables inside instead of letting them dangle in view. It also tilts slightly for better viewing angles depending on where you're sitting. Number 17, mini fridge stand. This stand solves a very specific but very common apartment problem: what to actually do with a mini fridge. It's built to hold the fridge on either side, with a small shelf above it for a microwave, coffee maker, or snacks. The vintage wood panels and metal frame make it look like an intentional piece of furniture rather than a dorm room afterthought. In small kitchens, dorms, or home offices, this single stand organizes an entire beverage and snack station in one spot. Number 16, baker's rack. Nobody expects a baker's rack to come with built-in power, but this one does. 2 AC outlets and 2 USB ports right on the shelf. That means your coffee maker, microwave, or kettle plugs in directly without extension cords running across the kitchen. 8 storage compartments, a wine rack, and hooks keep everything from mugs to spices in one organized tower. RGB LED lighting synced to music is a genuinely unexpected bonus for a kitchen piece. This one turns a bare kitchen corner into a full coffee bar. Number 15, modular sofa seat. This is a smart way to build seating gradually instead of committing to a huge sectional all at once. Each single seat has hidden storage built into the base, perfect for stashing blankets, pillows, or remotes out of sight. Because it's modular, you can add more sections later as your space or budget allows without replacing what you already own. For anyone furnishing a first apartment on a budget, starting small and expanding piece by piece is one of the smartest long-term furniture hacks there is. Number 14, entryway shoe cabinet. An entryway clutter disappears fast with this one. It holds up to 15 pairs of shoes using a flip-down drawer system that keeps them hidden and dust-free, not scattered across the floor by the door. At under 7 inches deep, it fits into narrow hallways where a standard shoe rack simply wouldn't. The top surface also doubles as a spot for keys, mail, or bags on your way out the door. It's a small footprint with a genuinely outsized impact on how organized your entryway feels. Number 13, tall corner shelf. Corners are the most wasted space in almost every room, and this shelf fixes that in one move. 5 tiers climb 70 inches up an empty corner, giving you display and storage space that a flat wall shelf never could. It handles everything from books to plants to kitchenware thanks to its sturdy metal frame and thick board construction. The rounded edges and freestanding design mean it works in a corner or flush against a wall, whichever your room needs. An empty corner becomes genuinely useful storage. Number 12, geometric bookshelf. This isn't just a bookshelf, it's a piece of wall art that happens to hold books. The staggered S-shaped design turns ordinary shelving into a modern focal point for a bedroom or home office. 5 tiers give you plenty of room for books, photo frames, or small decor pieces, and the melamine finished chipboard is built to handle real weight without sagging over time. If your room feels plain, this is the kind of piece that adds personality the moment it goes up against the wall. Number 11, floating bathroom shelves. Floating shelves are one of the cheapest, fastest upgrades you can make to any bathroom, and this set does it right. Made from lightweight Paulownia wood, each shelf holds up to 40 pounds thanks to a reinforced triangular support frame that prevents sagging. They install in minutes with included hardware, and they work on drywall, studs, or concrete. Beyond bathrooms, they slot easily into kitchens or entryways too. For renters especially, this is a renovation level upgrade that leaves no permanent damage behind. Number 10, corner floating shelves. Similar idea, different angle, literally. These shelves are built specifically for corners, turning dead vertical space into a spot for plants, photos, or bathroom essentials. The rustic wood grain finish adds warmth to a room without looking busy or overdone. Because they mount directly into the corner, they don't compete for wall space with your other furniture or decor. It's a small, inexpensive add that consistently makes rooms feel more finished and considered rather than half furnished. Number 9, butterfly corner shelves. This one is pure personality. Shaped like butterflies and finished in soft macaron colors, these 3 small corner shelves add a playful touch to a nursery, bedroom, or bathroom without taking up any real space. They're lightweight but sturdy enough to hold perfume bottles, small plants, or trinkets, and installation is as simple as lining them up in a corner and screwing them into place. If you want a decor hack that gets noticed immediately, this is one of the most distinctive picks on the entire list. Number 8, wall folding table. This table solves the classic small space problem, needing a work surface that isn't always in the way. Made from solid pine, it folds flat against the wall when not in use, and drops down into a sturdy desk, laundry table, or workbench whenever you need it. It comes in multiple sizes up to 72 inches, so it scales from a small laundry nook to a full home office setup. For apartments or garages tight on space, this is one of the most practical hacks on this list. Number 7, Queen Air Mattress. This isn't your old air mattress that needed an outlet in 20 minutes to inflate. It has a built-in rechargeable pump that fully inflates the bed in just 3 minutes. No cords required. Standing 20 inches tall with a flocked top, it genuinely feels like a real bed rather than a camping afterthought. It supports up to 700 pounds thanks to 40 internal support coils, and the attachable headboard converts it into a lounging setup when you're not sleeping. A guest room that folds into a closet. Number 6, tilting drawing table. For anyone turning a corner of their home into a creative space, this desk adjusts to exactly how you work. The surface tilts through 16 different angles, and the height moves between roughly 27 and 36 inches, so it works whether you're sitting, standing, drawing, or writing. 2 fabric drawers and an open shelf keep supplies organized instead of piled on top of the desk. It even comes with a matching stool, so this is a full creative station in a single purchase. Number 5, walnut drafting stool. A good stool matters more than people expect, and this one is built from solid European beechwood with a genuinely comfortable wide seat. Height adjusts from 19 to 26 inches, so it works at a kitchen counter, a bar cart, or a drafting table just as easily. The triangle base supports up to 220 pounds and keeps it stable even on uneven flooring. It's a simple piece, but swapping a wobbly old stool for one this solid changes how a whole kitchen or studio corner feels. Number 4, K-Cup organizer. Small upgrades add up, and this one cleans up one of the most cluttered spots in any kitchen, the coffee station. It holds up to 30 coffee pods in a removable divider drawer with a non-slip mat on top so your coffee maker sits securely above it. Made from natural wood with dovetail corners, it looks intentional rather than like plastic storage shoved in a cabinet. No assembly is needed, so this is a 5-minute fix for a counter that's been messy for years. Number 3, smart light bulbs. Lighting alone can transform transform a room without moving a single piece of furniture, and these bulbs prove it. They offer 16 million colors and tunable white light from warm to cool, controlled through an app, voice commands, or music sync. At 1200 lumens, they're noticeably brighter than a standard bulb, which matters in larger rooms that always feel a little dim. Swapping just 2 bulbs in your main living space can shift the entire mood of a room in under 5 minutes. Number 2, tablet floor stand. This is a strange one to call a furniture hack, but it earns its spot. A heavy adjustable floor stand holds any tablet or phone at the exact height and angle you want, freeing your hands completely for cooking, workouts, or video calls. The base weighs 6 pounds, so it won't tip over even with a larger tablet attached. For small kitchens or workout corners where counter space is limited, this quietly replaces the need for a wall mount or extra shelf. Number 1, bamboo magazine rack. We're closing with the simplest hack on the entire list. This bamboo rack pops open in seconds, holds documents, magazines, or mail in 5 separate pockets, and folds completely flat for storage when you don't need it. It's sturdy despite being lightweight, with a locking base that keeps it from collapsing under normal use. For entryways or home offices drowning in loose paper, this is proof that not every home upgrade needs to be complicated or expensive to make a real difference. That's 30 easy upgrades that transform your home without a single renovation. Full product links are all in the description below.